Hello and welcome to the SquaredUp for SCOM Quick Win video series. This is video number 7 and the final video in this series. So just to give you a recap, during this series we've looked at some of the common tile types, we've looked at their configuration, and we've put them all together to build a NOC dashboard. And in this video we're going to look at using the NOC dashboard. So let's head over to our production environment and let's take a look at using the NOC dashboard to resolve a problem. So here we are. And we can see by looking at the alert list tile that several alerts have recently been triggered. We can also see by looking at the matrix tile that one of our enterprise applications is currently unhealthy. Now we can investigate this in two ways. The first is to drill into the unhealthy application, and we can see our drill down for the sales app is showing us a performance tile that shows the response time is higher than normal. So let's drill deeper into the application itself to troubleshoot the components, to determine whether there's a problem with the infrastructure that hosts this app. From here we can see the alerts, which give us more indication of where the problem is coming from. And we can also see that there's a health problem for the map object. So we can either drill down into the map, or drill across to the map perspective. We'll do the latter here to keep us in the context of this application. Now we're looking at the Vader view, and we can easily see that there's a connectivity problem between the web servers and the Windows service hosted on App 01. We can also see that there are some performance issues on the SQL servers, but these do not appear to be causing any connectivity problems between the nodes at the moment. So let's drill into the unhealthy Windows service. On our root cause perspective, we can see that there's a monitor called service is running, and we can see that it's in an unhealthy state. So let's drill into this for some more information. We can look at the state change events, and we can see the operational state is displayed as service not running. So we found the problem. We have a Windows service that isn't running. Now how do we go about fixing it? So to start, we can move back to the Windows service object. We can do this by either clicking the back button in the browser, or by clicking on the hosted object. Now when viewing the object, we can utilize agent tasks. In this case, we're going to select the Start Service task. You can also build your own agent tasks in SCOM to resolve common problems, and then you can use SquaredUp to trigger them. We can see the Start Service task results, and we can see it was successful. So let's go back to the Sales app, and we can see the application go back to healthy. Now what if we wanted to fix the problem by drilling into an alert instead? You can simply click through any of the alerts to view the information around why it's been triggered and what it relates to. So in this case we're clicking to the availability test failed alert. We can see the vital performance data related to the web test, as well as the health state over time. And we can even view the configuration for the monitor that's generated the alert. The configuration alongside the metrics data allows us to instantly understand why the monitor has generated the alert. So from either the alert perspective or the web availability test perspective, we can move to the Sales app object. And we can now view the map to find the problematic object and resolve the problem like we did previously. I hope this video has provided you with a useful insight on how to use SquaredUp dashboards to resolve an issue. As I mentioned, this is the last video in the SquaredUp for SCOM Quick Win video series. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next series.